Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to see video history on Facebook. Now the first thing you have to do is open your Facebook app. Now from here tap on this icon, then tap on this settings icon. From here scroll down. Now here you can see activity log option, then just tap here. Now from here go to activity history, then tap on filters, and from here select categories. And after that tap on your Facebook activity, then tap on post. Now from here you can see videos you have watched, then just tap here, and here it is. Now from here you can see your Facebook video history. Also, if you want to delete any video, then just tap on three dots, then tap on delete, and it's done. And that is how you can see video history on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.